Hello, this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has all-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle comes equipped with the XLT Black Appearance Package, as well as the XLT Sport Package, and that nice trailer tow package. Taking a look at the wheels here, we do have 20-inch gloss black aluminum, which provides a nice sleek look to the vehicle. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a dual exhaust, as well as rear park sensing, and that nice backup camera right there. Moving to the sides, we do have mud flaps on rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. Moving to the front, we do have those two tow hooks, which is pretty nice, that license plate bracket, and a front-facing camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, we can see that we do have this nice black leathering, as well as some nice light gray stitching. This vehicle also seats up to 5 people, which is pretty nice. As well as we do have 2 cup holders, a nice 12-volt outlet, and a USB and a USB-C, as well as a 120-volt outlet right there. Taking a look at the door, we have plenty of door space for whatever you need, which is pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see here that we do have powered seats, as well as that same black and gray stitching leathered seats we saw in the back there. Taking a look at the door, we have plenty of storage there, as well as your parking brake and your pedal adjuster, your 2 blind spot detections, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 19.9 kilometers. Taking a look at the steering wheel, we have our toggle for a menu up there, as well as your phone and station controls, your volume and voice controls, and your cruise controls right there. Taking a look at our main menu now, we can see we have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Taking a look to my right, we have this nice gear shifter, which is also collapsible, which provides extra room. You have a nice phone slot here and 2 cup holders, plenty of cubby space down here, a USB and a USB-C. You have your drive modes right here and your 4-wheel drive capabilities, plus your trailer disconnect up there and your Pro trailer right there. Now looking at our drive modes, we do have normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, towing and hauling, eco, and sport. Now taking a look here, we do have heated seats as well as dual climate, so no need to fight over the temperature there. You have your volume controls right there, your 12-volt outlet, and your 120-volt outlet right there. You have your main screen right here with your auto off and auto start, your 360 view of the camera, hazards, as well as your traction control. You have your audio right here, your phone controls, navigation so you don't get lost, fave apps such as phone list, zone lighting, driving assist, Wi-Fi hotspot is equipped in this vehicle, apps such as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, settings such as SiriusXM, sound, Ford Assistant, and so on and so forth. Features of the vehicle such as driving assist, zone lighting, and so on and so forth. Taking a look above me, we do have this lovely rear window opener, which is pretty handy, and clicking this button here, we do have storage under the dash, as well as storage here as well. Lifting us up here, we have plenty of storage for whatever you need. You can move this side to side, or you can lift it up for more additional space. We do have a USB and a USB-C down there, which is pretty handy. The stock number for this vehicle is FC99135, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.